पहला वाला
हो रहा recording हो रहा. This is the video of the potentia. We are going to potentia basically. This is our chassis. It's basically 20. This is 20. This will be 25, and this will be 25 centimeter length and 25 centimeter breadth. That's because we want to use maximum area. And these are our wheels which we will be using. This will go into this slits so that we can conserve the area of the base, and above this there will be one more layer of 25 by 25. It will be a square which will cover this. In between these two layers we will have a mechanism, the mechanism which drives the potentia. So for driving the moving the potentia forward and coming backward, we are storing energy in waste elastic. Generally people will be using springs, mouse traps, but we found waste elastic to be better. The thread length we need to unwind is 5 centimeter because our axle's diameter is
3 mm.
3 mm diameter we have of axle. So if we unwind 5 centimeter of string and our wheel diameter is 10 centimeter, it will move 1000 mm, more than 1000 mm,
which is
with just this thing thread unwinding of 5 mm. So I will show you how this works. It's very simple. Basically, it looks that it will not work, but we tried it on a model. But in between that, we have our exam, so we have to move forward and study for our exam. So this is the basic idea of how it will work, how it will move forward. The elastic will store our potential energy, which is the basics for our potentia. It will be like this, and it will rotate. As you can see, we need 5 centimeter unwinding a string. It's very strong. This material is very strong, so it's quite hard for me. The axle will fit, and it spins. At least has 5 revolutions, and that's what is needed for moving forward. There will be one more elastic here which will be fitted on a screw, and we will use these for the axles. Our axle will go through these what's this called?
L clamps.
Not L clamps. This angles. We'll have the axle go through here. The wheels will be here, and another wheel will be here, and this will be over. This will be over this. This will be covered, and above this we will have 40 centimeter at least room. This will be up slightly. We'll have 40 centimeters room for storage of balls, and we'll do it with more maximum packing efficiency. And for the opening of the shutter, we are using this tape. Basically, there will be 2 tapes used in our opening and closing mechanism. Here I have a handkerchief. We'll use a cloth over this base. The cloth will be put over the base, and the tape will be hung here. We'll have a whole box, a frame for this, and it will be held here with a needle. And when the thread unwinds, and it will roll over the axle, and the needle will be pulled, this thing will go. There will be a needle attached here. It will be removed, and this thing will go up. This thing will fix. Hold it now. And as this thing goes up, it comes up, and the balls will fall down and slide down like the scissors. And there will be another one for the shutter. The shutter will go up, and the balls will slide. So our main aim is that the mechanism fits into this small box. The potentia return mechanism. Okay, the potentia moves forward by the winding of we'll wind this and keep this will be stretched, so this will rotate and it will move forward. In this time there will be another elastic here, and as it moves forward, this thread will wind over this axle, the front axle. The thread will wind over that. For the potentia, this is required so that the potentia can come back, and this portion of the elastic will be kept stretched. This elastic will be kept stretched like this, and we'll have a screw, a needle here, which will be there fixed. And as the shutter opens and the handkerchief comes up, means the cloth comes up, the tape will also pull that thread, and along with that the needle will be pulled. and this elastic will be released. And as the elastic is released, and this is as this is wound over it while it moves forward, and as the elastic is released, this will rotate, and the potentia will come back. This will be our return mechanism. This that as it is already kept